My name's Andrew Bailey. I'm CEO of MinEX CRC. I'm a geologist by training, worked in both industry and now with research coordination. Cooperative research centres have been in existence for over 30 years in various forms, and they research everything from sheep to fish to space to data, in many fields. Antarctica. There's been some mineral investigation research centres, but our one is the only one running at the moment, and it's the biggest one globally. No one else has got this sort of cooperation between industry, federal funding, and companies. And they put out challenges. We then take up those challenges in projects to solve them. For example, data processing point of view, we're looking at 3D modelling space. From a geophysical point of view, we're looking at acquiring new surface data and downhole data in ways that are quite unique. And better ways to just do conventional drilling. We have a unique coil tube drill rig, which we're putting out in the market and testing actually as we speak. So our coil tube drill rig is unique in that it doesn't have drill rods that you add on every time like a normal rig. It's actually got a continual coil of steel. We've actually got a 500 metre version and a 1,000 metre version. That 500 metre version, we've now drilled some 14,000 metres. It's both safer, there's no dropped rods, there's no high pressure air, as well as it's got a smaller footprint and more efficient. It is certainly cutting down carbon footprint, fluids needed, water needed, and diesel to drive it. Only by developing a rig that uses substantially less can it ultimately be converted to battery power or solar power or another power source. We're working towards that in a safer manner, more efficient manner, and ultimately moving towards being able to drill at zero carbon footprint. We now have our coil tube drill rig here in Western Australia. It's up at Nifty Copper Mine, drilling the areas to understand what a copper deposit looks like when you move away from a known deposit. So we're doing that fundamental research work to understand what we call the footprint of that deposit over 20 or 30 kilometres. It's going to be drilling a 10-hole program in conjunction with a geological survey in Western Australia to open up the area and understand it so explorers can understand what may be around or how you look for something like a copper deposit in this case. We're looking forward to drill results here in WA.